We're going to start with a game called Superheroes. This is going to feature Colin Mochrie as, well, the first superhero on, and we're going to decide which superhero he's going to be. He'll decide who the next person, that's Ryan, what sort of superhero he'll be, and so on down the lines. So what sort of superhero does Colin suggest to you?
Promiscuous man.
Captain Buttocks. What was your one?
Promiscuous man.
Promiscuous man. OK, you are Captain Buttocks, Promiscuous man. And it's interesting that two separate sections of the audience should have met you before. So what is the global problem that these people might be dealing with?
Lots of hair pieces.
Strange to say we get that suggested pretty well every recording. So, anything else?
Acid rain.
Acid rain, a good, sensible suggestion. It's a real problem. Not funny, mind, but it's a real... So, Captain Buttocks, Promiscuous man, is the only man to save us from acid rain. Take it away, Captain.
Yes, I'll see you at 9. Hold. Yeah, I'll see you at 10. 10. Yeah, I'll see you at 10, too. All right. There seems to be some danger. What's this on the monitor? Acid rain. That could be horrible. I hope it hits that woman who suggested missing hair pieces. If only my super friends were here to help.
I'm sorry I'm late, Captain Buttocks. I got caught in an acid shower.
Thank God you're here, and can I say you're looking very nice.
Thank you.
Thank God you're here. Can't move without hurting himself, boy. Well, if I... Ow. Just come over to the monitor. No.
Oh. Look, if you...
There. It's okay. Just rest on my buttocks.
Sorry I'm late. I took the tube. How are you?
Good. Hilarious punchlines, boy.
I have to tell you, I'm not a welder. Sorry.
Look,
I hear
there's
acid rain. Well, you call that rain? You should see my dog.
I came as soon as I could, guys.
It's Professor Hugs too hard.
Yes! If everybody runs around and grabs the raindrops, we could squeeze the water back out the vapor back into the sky, and it would go back.
That's brilliant.
I'm going to start off. See you later.
Well, you should have seen the other guy. Well, I better go too. You know what they say.
Another job well done.
Come on, get it. Well, another crisis averted. Ring, ring, ring. Yes. I'll meet you at 11. Bring the poodle.
OK, thank you very much, Colin. Well done. Let's see. All right. OK, that was very good, mate.